Hey guys, so we are just arrived at elk camp and we're going to be installing a stove jack, the Exit 45 on the fly very quickly. So this is just the back half of the Exit stove jack. I'm going to place it right here and then use a marker just to note where the screw holes are to screw it in. So now that we have all of our dots outlining the holes, we're just going to take an extremely sharp knife and poke through little X patterns, just enough to get the screws through. So now we're going to install the stove jack from the outside of the tent. If you have a Sibley Bell Tent, the Ultimate Pro or Pro Tech series, you can unzip the floor of the tent. This is extremely helpful if you're a very small person and trying to install a stove jack high up on the tent. If you're using a wall tent or traditional tent that you cannot unroll or unzip the ground sheet from the canopy, you're going to have to do this step before the poles are put into the tent. I'm going to reach up top, align the holes that we've already cut, and just pop the screws through to the other side. There you go. Hear it click. So we're back inside the tent and we're going to finish the assembly. We're going to place outside frame onto the nuts, screws, bolts. We're going to use the top wing nut to tighten it down. Then the bottom one. And as you proceed around, it'll all get tighter, and then do a final tightening at the end to make sure you have a good tight seal. So the final step of the process is going to be to cut the canvas out of the center. Do not try to cut a circle, and that's how you cut yourself. You can just start at the top, poke through, simple X pattern. This is what we do with everything. And then to the side. And so you'll have to clean up these edges, but it's a lot easier to just cut pieces out to clean up the edge than it's going to be to try and cut around this circle. Just be really careful as you do it, and it'll make a quick and easy job. Ta-da!